Hi, Susie. You look busy. What are you doing?
Hi, Mohammed. I'm trying to study math, but it feels really hard.
Don't worry, Susie. Math can be easy if you learn it step by step.
Really? How can I learn it in an easy way?
First, start with the basics. Make sure you understand simple concepts before moving to difficult ones.
That makes sense. What else?
Practice every day, even for just 20 minutes. Math gets easier with practice.
Sometimes I forget the formulas.
You can write them in a small notebook and review them every day.
That's a smart idea.
Also, watch educational videos. They explain math in fun and simple ways.
I like learning with videos. It helps me understand faster.
Great! And don't be afraid to ask questions when you don't understand something.
Thanks, Mohammed. I feel more confident now.
You're welcome, Susie. Remember, math is like a game. The more you practice, the better you become.
I'll start today. Thanks for your advice.
Good luck, Susie. You can do it.